radio all day. Hey everybody. You know, I guess probably every time you see me doing these videos, that's where I'm sitting at right here driving. Going somewhere. Well, that's right. We're going somewhere today. We're going from Dothan, Alabama, all the way to Talladega. Well, hey everybody. Once again, we've got another Chevelle project going today. Come up to Talladega to put some seats in this old Chevelle. You just saw one of the cars that's in this garage. It's 79 Trans Am. My friends are restoring it, about finished with it. All right, we're going to try it again. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? So let's get over here and get started on these seats today. All right, let's get in here and see what we're doing. Pop these seats out. A little 1/2-inch bolt each side, should be right out. Hopefully the new ones we got line up with it. We're going to see here in a second. Well, that's one. Found some good straws. Well, we had a stopping point. Of course, none of these going to line up, you know. So, I got one that will. I'm going to have to drill the other ones. Try and get the drill bit hooked up. And I hate drilling through carpet. I need to cut that out. That's what I'm going to do while I'm here. All right.
Phone system for small business. Try it free at grasshopper.com.
You know those little white lies you tell yourself? Clogged pores? Not me. Oily skin? On this face? Blackheads?
Not even close, folks.
Can't hide. Truth is,
No.
don't lie. And blackheads can only hide for so long. Introducing very ultra deep cleansing pore strips with Corteza.
Next question is,
Blackheads and unclogged pores in just 10 minutes. Clogged pores can't hide.
will these tracks interchange?
Puree. Free your pores.
Know someone with a drinking or drug problem? Learn how to get sober after we share these
And the answer to that is,
Two beautiful
why heck no.
My addiction started to spiral out of control. After my divorce, I went into a depression cycle and started drinking more often and using prescription drugs. After my second DWI arrest, my ex-husband threatened.
Of course, they wasn't going to fit. Got to make them fit, you know. If we can. So, take a little bit of thinking and doing. Get back with you when I get something accomplished here. Well, folks, what did we get accomplished today, Kyle? Nothing? Nothing. Managed to get the oil changed, kind of. Couldn't get the oil filter off, so we'll go uptown. First place to go to. They pulled up on the rack, saw they couldn't get it off, and then come out and said, we ain't got time to fool with it right now. So I got my money back and went to another place. Well, me and Kyle sat out there about a good 30-40 minutes, and they finally come up and said, well, you know, we got this other car over here and needs to get in front of you. So we didn't get the oil filter changed on it. It's going to have a metal cup to get it off. Did get one of the seats in, sort of. But I halfway that one too. I got 2 bolts in the front. I got to evaluate whether I'm going to run these things or not. I'll let my friend put his noggin on it, see what he can come up with as far as bolting the back of them down. And I'll put that seal plate back on and get that thing right now. Oh, for all y'all environmentalists, I poured the oil out on this old stump right here. In fact, there's the oil pan. I need to get it in. They soak it in oil, burn it. You know, heck, where did oil come from? Out of the ground. That's where it's going right back. Here's the trouble with having too many hot rods. You got to move them, stack them. It's just too much problems, you know. Just get rid of all of them. Right. We're going up?
Yeah.
All right. 400 big block Pontiac. It's a torque monster, folks. Like I said, it's still a work in progress. I just about got it finished. Let's fire this thing up, see if it can crank. Hit it. Oh, you gotta have a key. I thought you just, you know, magic. Smokey and the Bandit Special. Burt Reynolds drove this car. This is an old movie car used in Smokey and the Bandit Part 1. You know, where they took out the mailboxes with the other side. Here we go. No. We still got technical problems right here. Y'all bear with us, folks. But yeah, back to the story. Smokey and Bandit Part 1. Burt Reynolds, Sally Fields, they going down to there and they wipe out a set of mailboxes. And it don't even put a scratch on the right side. Let me prove it to you. Look at here. Straight as a dang arrow. And they took out mailboxes with this thing, man. That's how tough Pontiacs are. Let me tighten the battery cable for you.
Yeah.
Alright. This is a technical issue here. It's not that one. There you go. Uh-oh. I heard it. It tried. You got a dead battery.
I got it brand new.
Brand new. That's what it's claimed. Well, the cables are tight. Battery dead. Brand new dead battery, put it that way. Looks like a Japanese going to have to come to the rescue of American cars. Going to have to jump it off with this Toyota. Alright, we're going to try it again. Uh-oh. Well, it turned it over. It's better than what it's doing. I have to let it charge for a minute. Try it, almost. You know, one thing I liked about Pontiacs, they put their spark plugs above the headers. Whereas Chevrolet, they are underneath or in between. So, better design right there. John DeLorean. You know who John DeLorean was, right? He's one of the designers here on the Pontiac division. He come up with a GTO, basically. But engineers there at Pontiac did a better job of design, I think, getting the spark plugs above the intake. Makes the header get a little bit harder. Oh, look at it. Almost did. Still got to put the window trim back on it right here. Ain't got around doing that. Few odds and ends. It'll be all finished up. But I should have seen it to start with. Ooh. It looked like that Chevelle of mine when we pulled it out of the junkyard. There you go. Uh-oh. You got a bad alternator, hadn't you? Uh-oh. Come on. Yes, the alternator is working. Everybody assumed their position. Train of them gets in. Don't that look good, folks? Look at that. Hot rod cars. Man.
That's super strong.
It don't get no better than this. What's the Corvette? 70 what? 75. 66. 67. 76. No, excuse me, 79. There you go. Let's throw some Charger on it. Don't scratch that new paint job up now. The electricity will be in good shape.
We'll be in shape. I ain't gonna call it.
All right, we're cooking right here. We're humming.
That don't make no sense.
So that's going to about wind it up so far. Glad you came along and got to watch. And we'll do it again another day. Thanks for watching.